What's up guys, today we're going to be using the Hard Water Stain Remover. Cleans and seals in one process. Protective seal lasts up to 3 months. So this is by, I don't know, BioClean products. So I'm going to try this puppy out. I've already actually tried it here and you can tell that it looks really nice. So I just cleaned this side and I think it looks really nice. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this. It's really straightforward. It's just I think instructions say just to get, where are the directions? There you go. Remove dirt and debris from the surface prior to applying product. Loosen stain by rubbing action. Rinse with water until residue is free. Repeat and just keep repeating. So this is just one pass. So that looks great. I mean, I don't know if you could see like the difference here. You know, I didn't really touch it too much, but over there, just that's the well, this is just one cleaning actually. This is where I cleaned it the second time. I didn't really spend too much time on it, but I think that looks really good. So here's my the spout. I cleaned over here. Here it was really thick, so I scraped off a good chunk of it, but this part's already too far gone. You can see that the top coating is gone. It's already down to the base metal, so not much to do there for that. So, but I'm going to clean it. This is prior to cleaning right there, so you can see kind of what it looks like. And I'm even going to try it on this guy. So this is plastic though, so I don't know how the plastic will take to it, but we're going to try it anyway. So let's do that. So get yourself just a regular rag. I've got this red shop rag. Get some of the product, just squirt it right on there. There we go, just like that, and then just start scrubbing away. Nothing to it. Here, God, I can't hold it. Dang it. Anyhow, all you have to do is just scrub the dang thing. I can't hold it with one hand, so let me see, maybe you can just... Okay, so there, maybe you can see from right there, but just like that, just scrub for a bit. Doesn't even take too long. Okay, here we go. So anyhow, I thought I was recording. I guess I wasn't. Anyhow, just put it on there, scrub it on there. Just rub it back and forth. You don't have to really, I'm not applying too much pressure downward. I'm just gently going back and forth on it. Go in a circle. And you just keep going till it gets nice and clean. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to go ahead and take it off with my other rag. Using a second rag. It says to get it damp. It's got a little water on there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. This is the first pass on this side, so you can see what it looks like. Now just go ahead and dry it. Okay, you can kind of see. That's the first pass. This is where I cleaned it before. This is the other one. That's just after, you know, what you've seen me scrubbing. So let's do that one more time. I could probably give it another spin to get rid of this. Maybe that right there, a little bit right here, a little spot right there, but I mean, that's fantastic. I think it's a lot better than it was before. So, and on the side, I didn't really clean it too much, but yeah, I could definitely clean that too. So I'm thinking maybe one more pass and this thing should be perfect. So I'll go ahead and I'll get cranking on these guys and I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. But yeah, I mean, I'm liking this product a lot. So, all right. Here's the before and after picture. You can see it, man, it really cleaned it up well. These scratches were already there before. Oh well, but you can tell, man, it looks really, really nice. I mean, you got to get it before it gets to this state. If it gets to that state, it's not going to do anything, but it didn't clean the top off. But I mean, you can see it just cleaned it so nicely. And it was pretty quick, you know. They did this all in like less than 5 minutes, so. Alright guys, I definitely recommend this Hard Water Stain Remover by BioClean. That's awesome. Great job guys. I like the product you guys made. They're not paying me to say this, so don't worry about that. And yeah, it's good. I like it. Yeah, so anyhow, thanks for watching. I definitely recommend you clean these things because they look brand new when you're done. So there you go.